Once you have your general licenses ready, you can apply for business-specific licenses that differ depending on the sector your business is in. Illinois requires certain business licenses or permits, depending on the nature of your business and where you're located. You may need to check into these types of licenses. There are 3 categories you should look out for. Local business licenses are general operating licenses that your local county or municipality may require. Sales tax and revenue permits require all business entity types to register with the State Department of Revenue. Depending on your industry type or how your business uses real estate in the local community, you might need an additional local or state permit. Most businesses operating within Chicago require City of Chicago business licensing to legally conduct sales. There are several requirements for new business owners to navigate through, but there is support available to you. The Chicago Department of Business Affairs and Consumer Protection, BACP, Small Business Center, SBC. Business Consultant can help you determine and obtain the appropriate license, S, for your business. As discussed previously, there are usually 3 general requirements to keep in mind when getting ready to open a business. Business licenses are essential. Almost all businesses, including retail establishments, require a general business license to operate legally. This license is typically issued by the city or county where the business is located. If your retail business sells taxable goods, you'll likely need a sales tax permit or resale certificate. This enables you to collect and remit sales tax to the appropriate state or local tax authority. If you plan to hire employees or operate as an LLC, you'll need to obtain an EIN from the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. It's also necessary for opening a business bank account and filing taxes. When working towards obtaining a business license, there are a few steps you will need to go through as a City of Chicago business owner. Step 1 is the Business Information Sheet, BIS. For in-person applicants, you must complete a BIS pre-application form. Those who apply online and in person will have similar requirements for the formal application. Step 2 is a zoning review conducted to determine if your business activity is permitted in the zoning designation of your business location. Step 3 depends on the type of license you are applying for. While some require an inspection of your business, others may not. There are a few requirements to have ready when filling out the BIS sheet. You will need the following: the business name and ownership information, including the legal structure, that is Corp, LLC, etc. of the business address, square footage of the business location, a detailed description of all business activities conducted on and off the business location, identification from all applicants, such as a valid driver's license, state ID card, or another government-issued photo ID, State of Illinois file number if applicable, Illinois Department of Revenue, IDOR, account ID, number if applicable, Federal IRS Employer Identification Number, EIN, if applicable. Depending upon the license type, additional documents may be required. Some business license applications require a fingerprint-based criminal history investigation for every owner, corporate officer, member, or any person with a 25%, 5% for liquor applications, or more interest in the business, as well as on-site managers for certain license types. A cost recovery fee of $40 per person will be assessed for the service of fingerprint processing. A separate license is required for each separate business location. Again, a zoning review is conducted to determine if your business activity is permitted in the zoning designation of your business location. Depending upon the license type, an inspection may be required by one or more city departments prior to license issuance. Please check the Business Licenses Guide for information regarding the specific inspection requirements of business licenses. There are 2 ways to apply for licensing. BACP's online business license application system, Chicago Business Direct, allows business owners or legal representatives of business owners to apply for most City of Chicago business licenses. All business license applications started online must be completed online. Business owners or legal representatives of business owners can also apply for a license in person by meeting with a business consultant in the Small Business Center, SBC, at the following location: 121 North LaSalle Street, 8th floor, room 800, Chicago, Illinois, 60602.